Hi, good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. Thanks for your support on Udemy and YouTube. If you came to our YouTube channel for the first time, click on subscribe button and keep sharing our videos with your circle. And if you are checking our courses on Udemy, learn, provide your valuable feedback, and provide your valuable rating. So that helps me to motivate and to make new content. And also it helps to improve that what kind of content is being liked by the members and how to make it and how to improve the content. In this video, I'm going to tell you about transport request. So we have multiple videos on that. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about two important things, which I saw recently. There are certain kind of challenges and all. So transport request, most of you aware about that one. If you go to Google and search transport request videos by Ganesh Padala, you will find a couple of videos where I handle that TR generation, how to release the TR, and how to change the description before releasing the TR and after releasing the TR, how to split the TR. Okay, so these are all multiple things are there, and I'm going to tell you about 2 points. The few might be covered partially in our previous videos. So the first point I want to highlight that whenever you're working in a project, okay, or you're working in a support project, first of all, please get the guidelines of TR description. Okay, get TR description guidelines. Every company or every project follows the certain kind of guidelines. Okay, starting with the project ID and semicolon, then your initials of name, the module. Certain kind of guidelines will be there. If it is a project, if it is a support project, your ticket number, whether you are using a change request or service request. So the ticket number and semicolon, then your name, initial or module purpose. So these kind of things will be available. So please get TR description guidelines once you join in a project, whether it is a support project or an implementation. Second one, TR sequence. I would have mentioned about this one, but I'm mentioning again in this video because TR sequence while sharing to basis team to transfer all of your transport requests from one system to another systems. If you are not caring, then you will see the consequences in a severe way, I can say. If any one TR sequence, TR, you have changed the, it's supposed to go in number 3. Okay, so what I'm mentioning, TR1, TR2, okay, you have multiple TRs like this. So for example, if you made this TR6 in place of TR4 and you are moving TR4 later, unfortunately, if there is a dependent configuration that will mess up your config, then you need to spend hours of time to find which TR made this mess up, how to rectify it, whether retransport of all the TRs is required. All these things, if you do properly, whenever you create a new transport request in your TR log or TR list you are maintaining for your module, right? Please maintain immediately in that so that the sequence will not miss. You may tell that one based on the tables we can find it when you released and all. Sometimes what happened, you created one TR first, but you have not released that one. Still you are doing configuration, but another TR, then urgent one you created and moved it also. So in the numbering wise or anything, if you find it, you may feel this TR is the old one, this TR is the new one, but ideally both are different. So till the E070, some kind of tables where you get a release timestamp and all. But why do you go to that kind of analysis and where you get a less confidence, which is new, which is old? Please maintain your TR list file. So whenever you create a new TRs, please go and maintain that one. So when you share the TR list to basis team to move to quality or to move to production, you are a peaceful person without any kind of challenges or sudden surprises. I hope in this video, we learned 2 more important points related to transport request. I will add this video to all our TR related videos. Keep learning, keep watching, and keep providing your feedback to motivate me and also to improve our content. Thank you.